Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new KVD Vegan Beauty Modcon Liquid Gel Blush. That is definitely a tongue twister. I'm going to be trying it out for you guys today. It is new from KVD Beauty and I just saw it and it just looked like it was kind of intriguing to me. So I felt like I would give it a go. Anyway, I'm just going to get into it. But if you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. And without further ado guys, here is our video. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new KVD Beauty Modcon Liquid Blush. This is the first product from KVD Beauty that has really kind of stood out for me and felt like I would give it a go. So this is the Modcon Liquid Gel Blush. And it's supposed to be a liquid gel blush. It's supposed to be a liquid blush with a little bit of a gel consistency. Liquid blushes can be a bit spready or they can be a bit dry. So this kind of liquid gel vibe is quite a good idea. So KVD, as most of you will know, is the brand that was started by Kat Von D, but then she left the brand in a scandal. I don't really know what it was, but I know it was a scandal and it was bad. So she left KVD. KVD is owned by Kendo Brands, who also part own Fenty Beauty, Marc Jacobs Beauty, Ola Henriksen. So I feel like KVD are really pushing out the boat this year. They came out with a Good Apple foundation, which was that cream foundation in that plastic, clear plastic compact. It went viral on TikTok, everyone used it. It's supposed to be really good, but it just looked a bit thick and a bit full coverage for me. I tend to overdo my makeup anyway, so I don't really need a product that's going to help me along. I need products that are going to kind of pull me back. So I decided not to get that, but I was intrigued by this. It comes in 4 shades. The shades are Glowlita, which is a dusty rose, Glasscade, which is a vibrant raspberry, Duality, which is a vivid coral, and Luminary, which is a peachy beige. They are available in the UK at Boots and also at Feel Unique. It's also available in the US at Sephora and also at kvdveganbeauty.com. It is $26 US and £22, 12 mils and 0.4 fluid ounces. At Boots at the moment it is £17. I will link the Boots down below. I will also link the Sephora link down below as well. I'm going to read you the blurb. It says, blush breakthrough, lightweight, long wear, liquid gel blush for a modern, dewy, jelly skin glow. Jelly skin glow? Yep. Hydrated and dewy with a punch of colour, the vegan jelly system helps it last all day. A little goes a long way. Create freeform looks by building it up without moving your foundation or highlighting texture. Fresh and fast, melts on easily for a translucent, shimmer-free glow that won't get streaky, tacky or patchy. Skin looks hydrated, bright and smooth. Innovative formulas to instantly add depth and dimension to your face. Start with 1 to 2 dots and use your fingers or a dense brush to dab and build Modcon wherever you want that jelly skin glow. Don't overwork it. You're the artist, mix shades together to create a fully custom colour. For oily skin, set your complexion with Lock-It setting powder before applying. It's good to know that you can use it over a powder if you want to. Really like the fact that it says it doesn't highlight texture and doesn't move your makeup around. So I'm just going to quickly show you the packaging and then I'm going to get into a demo. So guys, those are the swatches on. I definitely feel like the M Cosmetics and the KVD are the most similar. They both have that same liquidy consistency. The KVD and the Lisa Eldridge definitely look more similar in terms of shade. That is the packaging. It's quite cool. It gives me like very circus vibes, very like Harlequin vibes. It's got like a little stripy pattern on it. KVD here, and on the back it just says Glowlita. I like the nozzle. I feel like it's a really nice little nozzle. It's quite easy to control. It's also fairly precise as well if you do want to apply it straight to your face. A little bit is possible to come out. Also, a lot does come out as well. I really like the color of this. I feel like it's really cute. It's very berry. It's a really nice shade. It looks very juicy. It looks really nice and fresh and refreshing and just like juicy and succulent and lovely. So I like the look of this. It also blends out very, very sheer, but you can still see the pigment, which is really, really nice. So I'm excited to try this. I'm just going to try a little bit on one side, see how it looks, and then I'm going to pop a little bit more on and layer it up and see how crazy we can get, as per usual. It's got a very silky, lightweight texture. It's got a lot of slip to it. It feels a bit more like an oil, weirdly. It's that like texture. It is cute. I don't know if it's pigmented enough. It's like I don't really see the color. It does kind of disappear. I'm like, where did you go? That is the KVD Blusher, Liquid Blush, Modcon Liquid Blush on. Not sure about this one. I like it on the eyes, lips and cheeks. The cheeks are probably the most confusing of them all. I feel like on the lips I can see it, on the eyes I can see it, but on the cheeks I feel like it's so subtle. I don't know if I can see it. As you blend it, it kind of just disappears, and I don't know if it's too sheer. I will try and build it up again. I'm not really getting gel vibes from it. I'm definitely getting more like very lightweight facial oil vibes from it. It doesn't feel oily, but it kind of blends out. It kind of blends out in a way that an oil would. It's kind of confusing. So I do like it. I like the shade. I feel like the shade's pretty. I'm just not sure if I'm getting enough color payoff to make it worth my while. I do like the packaging. I do like the nozzle. I do like the way it looks on my eyes and my lips. On my eyes, it's a bit shiny and a bit greasy, but I do have quite oily lids, and I already had a cream base underneath, so that's probably not helping. But if I was to use something like the Danessa Myricks Color Fix underneath, I feel like this could be a really nice topper for it. I also do really like the way it stained my lips. It's given that kind of bitten lip stain vibe. Kind of reminds me a bit more of the M Cosmetics Color Drop Serum, which is a bit more lightweight and liquidy. It does still have a very lightweight liquidy feeling to it. So if you do like those kind of blushes, then maybe it's for you. It is just very, very sheer. I'm just not sure if I'm getting my money's worth. But I'll try and layer it up a little bit more anyway, and let's see how it goes. I decided to just pat it in a bit and try not to blend it in too much, and it definitely does show up more that way. It definitely looks a lot more visible once you pat it in and not blend it in. So guys, this is it on. It's just dried down a little bit and it does look better. I do like it. I just don't know if it's a bit too subtle, a bit too chilled, a bit too subtle. But I do think it's a really nice shade and colour, and I should probably do something with my hair. Like, there's no reason. There's no reason for it to look like this. So I do like this. I think it's pretty. Do feel like it's nice. It's got like a really nice dry down to it, and it does look a lot better now. It's kind of chilled out a little bit, and I put on some mascara. That has helped. But yeah, I think it's cute. I do like it. It's just very, very sheer, so it just depends. If you do want something that's got a bit more punch, a bit more pigment to it, then maybe it's not going to be for you. But if you don't mind something that's quite sheer, then I think it is nice. I do like it on my lips. I think it's really nice colour. I do like it on my eyes as well. It's a bit greasy, it's a bit creasy, but my lids do tend to do that. And like I said, I do have a cream product underneath, so that's probably not helping. But I do think it's nice actually, and it feels very comfortable on my skin. It feels very lightweight. Even though it did feel quite oily to go on, it doesn't feel oily on, if that makes sense. It doesn't feel like I've got oil on my face, which is nice. It just has that kind of oil texture to it when you're blending it out. I don't really get gel vibes from this, but I don't know if you necessarily need to. It is a nice lightweight formula. It's very, very silky to apply, almost too silky to apply, but once it dries down, it does look really good and natural. And even though it's still got a nice dew to it, it doesn't look overly dewy, which I do like. I think some of these liquid blushes can stay too dewy, and when it's hot and it's summer and you're already quite shiny, it's nice to have a product that does kind of dry down a little bit and does settle down. So I do prefer it now that it has chilled out a bit. Do prefer it now that it's dried down. I think it's nice. I think the colour is really pretty, and I do really like it on my lips. I can see myself using it as like a lip tint a lot, and just kind of dabbing it a bit on my cheeks here and there. But yeah, not too bad at all. A bit too sheer for me, but does build up to be fairly nice and does look fairly decent on. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I know this is such a random video and not one anyone's really asking for, but I just saw it online and was really intrigued by it and love a good liquid blush, so I thought why not give it a go. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. I would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.